Hello. In this video will be about ring gapping. That's one of the most important parts when you're building your engine. If it's standard engine, running standard power, you're not abusing car, it's absolutely fine. But when you're planning to do a little bit more from it, and in my case it's way more, then you can expect some problems. In last of my engines, basically I destroy area where my first ring stops. How it happened? We go to track with my friend with his track car. Roughly same as this, just cool. And I borrow his radiator cap, not just as spare, to be in bag with us. I go in my 7 Series, he's going in his drift car, no problems, nice drift day, beautiful. Car left at him, I was cruising around, nice summer day. Okay, time to my cab. He's bring my cab to my house. I just take it from there, and got spare keys. He's got spare key for my car, I got spare key for his car, everything nice. I take car, beautiful, as expected, from 3-liter petrol, in nice little E36. Drive it, abuse it, every corner sideways. At what moment car cut off, with horrible noise. When I just stop, start it. Something sounds a little bit wrong, but okay, I just ignore it, like I usually ignoring everything with my car. Next junction, again, it's cut off. Start, not with first go, started just don't want to spin. Again, crank it, and just at one moment start. Okay, again. Okay, nice. Next junction, release clutch, release throttle, car cut off. Starter don't want to spin whatsoever. I think maybe something with my alternator or something like that. No, at one moment it's just cranking and it goes again. And then I notice my temperature is just all the way in red. I was dropping my Mrs. friend to house and it was just few hundred meters left. So I just keep driving. If something happened, no, what, a blockhead gasket? Don't worry about that. No problems. Anyway, was planning to open engine one more time to make it turbo ready. Okay, go there. Engine was boiling for almost 2 hours. I was putting cold water in and it was just boiling. And after that I will decide to, because car still was driving fine, everything fine. I decided to change valve stem seals. Valves little bit was like a, not really right. So I decided to take head off. And when I take head off, I noticed all the pistons was completely destroyed in this area where first ring stops. So now I take 2-liter M50, it's bored to 84 mils, but now I will gap my rings correctly to be engine ready for overheating, ready for turbo. Normally gaps should be 0.35 mils or 0.35, don't know exactly, no, yeah, 0.35. I will do my gaps 0.45 on first ring. On second ring, gap meant to be 0.40. I will do 0.45 because I'm planning to a lot of abusement on my engine. So, simply, piston ring number 1, piston from top. As my engine is new, it is completely rebored engine, it's same diameter all the way on bottom, all the way on top. What you need to do if you use second-hand engine without any reborings, you need to piston at lower point. It should be pushed all the way down rings to do correct gapping. So 0.40 mil, no chance here. You see, it just not go anywhere. Even 0.45, no, you understand, it will not be. Just basically take ring out, take Dremel with sandpaper bit. No Dremel, look, it's cool one from Lidl. Take. And just sand it down. Then again, piston in. If you're using second-hand block, remember it should be all the way down. I can do just in even level with my piston on oil ring level. That's what I'm doing. It's not necessary to be done like that. Again, 0.40. No, still not going. Again, out, Dremel, and just keep trying. Same way. Put the oil ring level in my way, because my engine is just freshly built. 40 goes in like nothing. 45 still not going. So again, little bit more. Straight away. No, not yet. Then, by the way, from this side, no, from this side, filming from this side, it's point to look at the gap. Look, my gap is little bit more to the one side, so currently it looks like I need to cut little bit off middle part of the gap. So give it and this and this way. Yeah, it's in. At this stage, I only like to use sandpaper, which I just lost somewhere. I take 600 grit and a little bit clean surface of what I done, just like that. As it's got tooth in, so there is probably some little high spots. Even when I sanding, I see it's eating at one point. So just make it until it goes flat. Double check. Yeah, it's a bit tight, but it's still freely, so that's what I need. Okay, and now piston number 2. On number 2, gaps always is larger. from factory. Same leveling. Remember, second hand block, measuring at bottom. 45 feet already. Let's see. Yeah, this I will not touch. Cylinders 1, 2, 3, and no 1, 2, 5 and 6. I was need to take just a little bit. 0.40 was fit nice, 0.45 not fit. I think gap should be same on both cylinders, on first and second piston rings. So now just plug in. Thank you very much. See you later.